Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now in Warangal. This is a good evening with good vibes, plain straight road. We are heading towards Thousand Pillar Temple, the historical place of Kakatiya dynasty. We are now at KU Cross Junction. The signal was on. So I think we should not cross these lines, but everyone are crossing these lines. Oh, oh my god, good, very good. I think I should follow the local rules. Who cares? Yeah, here we go. Move. From here the temple is around about 3 kilometers distance. We can reach within 5 to 10 kilometers. I have a sore pain to my nail which is hurting very badly when I accelerate.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these places